Got the second direct lift installed, and here's the Monster 2022 Camaro ZL1 1LE. There's the 74 on the right hand rack, and for the family man, here's the 2021 Buick Encore. Wanted to show there was an issue getting it on the rack. Luckily the installer stuck around to help me get it on it, and I'll try to capture it, but basically the track and tires are so wide it is you can't put it on the runways. I think that's what they call them. So supposedly there is a wider runway available for these lifts, so I'm going to explore that. Go around and see if I can get a better shot of the overhang. So this is the overhang on the 305s in the front, and for comparison, let me look at the other side to show that I'm on the edge, actually on the edge on this side here, so not a whole lot of room to maneuver. And of course that's the 305s on the front, and the 325s on the back are just ridiculously overhang. Now we got a little bit of room on the back here, but the other side you will see that it doesn't really matter much. And this is the overhang on the back, so it's borderline dangerous. So I need to see if I can get larger runways installed, and hopefully the extra width will be on the outside. I will get another video after installing the tie downs underneath on the suspension and get it back on the ground. It is difficult, like I said, so I want to do everything I need to while it's in the air. It did take 3 of us to maneuver. I did have an issue with the ramps popping up, backing it up, but there was no other clearance problems. I do have long ramps on order, but they're, again, like everything else, supply chain problems. I think the ramps I ordered were like 50 inches or so, and the existing ones are like 38, so it's a bit more room. So hopefully that will make it easier. Also a heck of a lot lighter. I think the current ramps are about 46 pounds, and the new ones will be about 10. So looking forward to that. Gonna give a little demo of the lift in operation. I need to raise the Camaro to service height here so I can add the tie downs to the suspension. This thing is such a gas to operate. I love it. For a do-it-yourselfer, being able to do this is fantastic. Here's the undercarriage of my 2022 Camaro ZL11LE. Putting on some goodies here. The lift block from ZL1 add-ons, and the tow hooks also from ZL1 add-ons. I thought of this as I'm tightening this down. I put in a 22mm socket in the hole so that when you're cranking down on the nut it doesn't rotate and close the hole up. So this way you've got a maximum amount of open space for your tow hook. Going to the back, there's a nice Brembo brakes, and here is, excuse the lighting, tow hooks for the back. Pretty simple to install. The video was very helpful.